A team of architects, directed by Adolfo Moran, Professor of Architectural Imagination at the Polytechnic University of Madrid in Europe, is investigating a new architecture that is in the near future. The mobility of big units in buildings stands out among the features this future architecture will be having. To move a big structure was very complicated to accomplish until now. But this problem is already resolved. The actual means of mechanization and synchronization of several hydraulic jacks, commanded from a central computer, provide the buildings to modify their external or internal spaces in order to meet the variable requirements or allow the construction of ecological, bioclimatic and sustainable buildings. This police department building of Madrid, constructed by Adolfo Moran, is one of the examples of this new architecture. It's a glass building, all of it made of glass blocks. Walls, floor, top roofs and even toilet booths were made of glass. The building is designed for attention to the public, thus it's been projected as a great courtyard of operations around a vertical big area. The covering of that courtyard is a big pyramidal skylight of 43 feet diameter, and it's moved upwards and downwards when it's needed, allowing two officials work almost 1/3 of a year without heating nor air conditioned and enjoy the nice climate and famous sky of Madrid. That transformation is provided by a deployable structure of variable geometry. Adolfo Moran has projected another movable buildings, among which stands out one designed for a big mall in Murcia, in the coastal area of the Mediterranean Sea with an area of well over 2 million square feet that transforms its movable covers to protect its users from the sun, to serve as big screens for showing, or simply to move freely to the rhythm of music. Another building with big movable parts is the Arc in New York, designed by Adolfo Moran, located between 5th and 8th Avenues near 34th Street. It is a big arc held up by 4 blocks in Manhattan and is raised above Broadway Street, creating a city building. The auditorium designed for the city of Bilbao has got a big hemispherical dome that is moved to permit a sea view, allowing concert performances outside. It has 2 possible movements. One consists in a horizontal sliding between the 2 parts of the dome, and the other consists in a vertical spin that allows all of it to open and close. Most of the buildings will be having movable parts to meet the functional requirements or to respond to bioclimatic and ecological aspects in the future. The transformation of a building should be assumed fearlessly by the new architecture. Can you imagine buildings moving, walking the floor on huge articulated legs as the big animals go into search for the sun or better landscapes? I am convinced we'll be seeing all of that in the near future.